Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at this 2014 Porsche 911 Turbo Convertible. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the 911 Convertible. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust shot, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior, as well as exterior. And before I begin, I'd like to give a huge thanks to the Woods of Wirral Motor Company, located in Hoylake, England, for allowing me to come up and film this car. For more information regarding current inventory and contact info, please check out their link in the description below. And so, without further ado, let's get it started up and let it run. It's a black exterior with black leather interior. Has just over 20,000 miles on the clock. Fires right up. Leather wrapped steering wheel with side grip extensions, silver accenting, and grips on the back. Has a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission with manual shift. And we'll go ahead and turn on the automatic headlamps, fog lamps, and the hazards. Both the windows are automatic, and we'll go and check out the exterior, shall we? "20-inch wheels, you also have front and rear parking sensors. This is the third 911 convertible I've done on this channel. Has a 3.8 litre twin turbocharged flat six engine. Puts out 512 brake horsepower. Does 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds and has a top speed of 195 miles an hour. It's just a shame not in the convertible version. That's all you get to see, because all of this is fixed in place. Two-person memory for the driver's seat, power windows, power mirrors, bonnet release, fully powered driver's seat with side airbags, perforated leather, and we'll go ahead and here she sounds. Does sound amazing. Let's go ahead and engage sport mode. Absolutely awesome. Quickly show you how the roof operates. Dual zone automatic climate control. Fan speed. Individual temperatures for both sides. Different zones. Front defrost, rear defrost, recycling, max AC, AC on and off, one touch automatic, and your heated seats.
A pop star, myself,
Different preset stations.
or Charlie.
As flexible as you can get. Our members in Network Railway make.
Decent sounding audio system. It is a Bose sound system.
Do travel on the train quite a lot.
Would your daughter have used the train normally, Joe?
Yeah, she goes to Born, so she would have been.
FM AM, DAB digital radio,
It's going to be a change. Now.
traffic announcements,
She'll be okay, but there'll be some students who'll find it
station list,
Are you going to have to plan in some extra time? Because you're saying she can go.
ensemblers,
The buses are probably going to be really busy, aren't they?
Yeah, they'll
and options.
earlier, and the exams in the morning, so she will have to make an early start. And it's luckily a last exam for every.
media,
For her, but she'll cope.
You said that you had missed
Phone.
the appointment. Will that be easy enough to rearrange?
Well, I hope so.
navigation,
Security to have Tom, like Graham had, we spoke to earlier. So I will be able to get a rearranged appointment, I'm sure. But I just said it's inconvenienced, the doctors in the department that that should have been.
destination,
And it's going to be lots of people like that not being able to make those appointments in the NHS.
Joe, thank you. Stuart Avenue in Norfolk. Tell me how this strike is affecting you.
Well, I'm retired.
Traffic info.
So it's not critical to my work. When I retired, I joined Surrey Cricket Club. Although I live in Norfolk.
various trip information,
Sorry, there's somebody going along in an invalid chair going backwards. That's what that noise is.
That's what it was. Thank you for telling us.
Because I stopped at a cafe here, and so I joined the Oval Cricket Club, or Surrey Cricket Club, and that means a train journey down there. And at this time of year, there are a lot of evening matches.
it's pretty much your standard Porsche infotainment system,
Came just wrong. There's a game today.
so it's pretty simple to use.
Thursday, and I thought, well, that's it. Well,
Sound
that's
settings,
and I'm going to miss it. And then I thought, no, let's just have a look and see what we can do. And I've got to do
and so on.
guest in charge. I've got to find somewhere to park, and so I planned a fairly long journey round the M35 anti-clockwise, so I can come in up the A3.
You must be a very determined man.
Well, yeah, I suppose so. I said to the person who spoke to me before, nothing gets between me and my
CD player,
Anyway, I interrupted you.
fucking rail workers. There are people who this is affected very seriously. For me, it's just a matter of watching the cricket match live or not. But you had an earlier speaker who's had a big
lock and unlock.
to get in and have an operation. And,
Down here you have your activation of your rear spoiler,
my
auto stop start,
So you were describing
sport,
the journey. Tell me about
Sport
that.
Plus, suspension settings, and your PSM or Porsche Stability Management.
It's a nice journey down to King's Cross. You then get on the Northern Line, 9 stops at the Oval. It's very easy.
Cigarette lighter
I'm driving. I've stopped,
and power outlet.
and I will then go down the A1. I'll join the M25
Auto dimming rearview mirror.
Done with a credit card on the internet, and I'm going somewhere which is only about 10 minutes walk from the Oval Cricket Ground.
Parking sensors.
The algorithm's got going on there. I don't want to tell you what I'm paying.
Because it's a lot, I'm guessing. Yeah.
I've just been bloody minded. I'm going to do it.
A contract to book on the Arena on Saturday, 400.
Cruise control.
To park on
Oh
Summer
no,
Drive.
I am 10% of that.
Okay.
Nothing. 400, goodness. And then, of course, the congestion charge is a challenge. So the Oval Cricket Ground is just outside it. Now, I must approach from the south because I don't want to get bogged down in that. But tonight the game finishes at 9:30, and the congestion charge doesn't operate. And then the next thing that I've got that I couldn't have managed without is a sat nav. Now, 15, 20 years ago, what was that? It means I can just drive across central London this evening and back home. And so, because it's possible, I'm going to do it.
Well, good for you. Thanks so much for calling. That was Stuart Agnew. How is the strike affecting you? Give us a call, 03700 100 444. If you want to, you can send us a message instead. You can do that by emailing us, you and yours, at bbc.co.uk. You can text us to 84844. You can tweet us, hashtag you and yours. Lots of messages coming in already. This one from Claire Morgan in Manchester. My daughter, grandson and I were supposed to be going to London from Manchester on Saturday, that's a strike day, to see the ABBA concert. We're all so disappointed. It was a huge post-COVID treat for our family. And Michael in London, I was hoping to take the train to Chester to visit my 79-year-old mum on her birthday. But neither my mum or I mind postponing our plans because we are supporting the striking workers.
Absolutely amazing vehicle.
Workers have been offered a 2% pay rise.
Let's go ahead and shut her down. Let's go and check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Same power adjustment for the passenger seat. USB and auxiliary inputs. Well viewers, thanks so much for watching this in-depth tour of this 2014 Porsche 911 Turbo Convertible, and a big thanks to the Woods of Wirral Motor Company for allowing me to come and film it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace out.